Are you looking for the best white PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NZXT H510 Elite CAH510EW1 Premium Mid-Tower ATX Case. NZXT is quite a premium brand of computer cases and other computer cooling options, which also offers a high quality and a premium white PC case, which is given here. The NZXT H510 Elite CAH510EW1 white PC case is present in the first position in this list since it is one of the most minimal and best looking options out there. As for its motherboard compatibility, you can use it with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. Being a high-end white PC case, it not only offers a USB 3.2 Gen 2 USB-A port and a headphone jack, but also comes with a USB 3.2 Type-C port. Being a high-end brand of computer cases, NZXT also includes a 2-year warranty with it. Apart from supporting large motherboards, this white PC case can work with up to 165mm tall CPU coolers and up to 368mm long GPUs inside it. As for its cooling support, you can use up to 2x140mm front, 1x140mm top, and 1x120mm rear fans, along with up to 280mm front and 120mm rear radiators. You even get 2x140mm RGB front fans and 1x120mm rear fan installed in this case, installed out of the box. Despite its fairly small size, you can still fit 3x2.5 inch and 3x3.5 inch drives inside this white PC case. At number 2. Cooler Master Masterbox TD500 Mesh ATX Mid-Tower. As you can tell by the name, Cooler Master makes a wide range of cooling products like CPU coolers and high-performance PC cases like the white PC case by Cooler Master given here. Cooler Master's Masterbox TD500 white PC case is present in the second position in this listicle, as this offers the best cooling, especially for the given price. Not only that, but this white PC case is also perfect for ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. You also get a decent number of ports at the front, including 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 and 2x audio ports for ease of use. And despite its value for money pricing, you still get a 2-year warranty with it. Similar to its support for large motherboards, you can also use this white PC case with up to 165mm tall CPU coolers and up to 410mm long graphics card, which is much higher than most others. This white PC case also supports 3x120mm front, 3x120mm top, and 1x120mm rear fans, where you get 3x120mm RGB fans at the front pre-installed out of the box. Just like its fan support, you also get the support for 360mm front, 360mm top, and 120mm rear radiators for cooling. Unfortunately, due to the large space for the motherboard and GPU, it only supports 2x2.5 inch and 2x3.5 inch drive bays. At number 3. Be Quiet Pure Base 500DX Mid-Tower ATX Case. Be Quiet is one of the most popular options out there when you are talking about high-performance cooling products that are quite silent, just like its white PC case given here. The Be Quiet Pure Base 500DX white PC case is one of the best performing options out there in terms of its cooling performance without being loud. To ensure proper versatility, this white PC case works with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. For making it an even more versatile option, Be Quiet offers 1x USB 3.2, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, and 2x audio ports. Another great thing about this white PC case is that you also get a 3-year warranty with it. Since this white PC case is focused on air cooling, it supports up to 190mm tall CPU coolers and up to 369mm long GPUs, which is much higher than most others. As Be Quiet is a brand of cooling products, this white PC case supports 3x120mm front, 2x140mm top, and 1x140mm rear fans, along with support for 360mm front, 280mm top, and 140mm rear radiators. Another great thing about the Be Quiet 500DX is that it comes with 1x140mm fans at the front, top, and rear, each installed out of the box. While it only has 2x3.5-inch drive bays, you do get 5x2.5-inch drive bays, which is quite good for most. At number 4. Antec NX410 ATX Mid-Tower Case. Antec is a quite popular brand manufacturing high-performance computer components and accessories for PC upgrades or gaming purposes. So, it is one of the best options to consider while looking for a white PC case at an entry-level price tag. This Antec NX410 white PC case works with ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards with ease, as it provides different motherboard size options at 390 by 210 by 485mm case size. It includes 3 RGB fans, in which 2x140mm RGB fan in front and 1x120mm RGB fan in rear for proper air cooling in the case. Here the dual front RGB fans will drive the air convection for efficient heat dissipation. It features a tempered glass side panel that will offer a simple and clean white appearance with an RGB effect inside the rig. While the staggered grid front panel design will enhance the overall appearance that sense and attain the ultimate efficiency of heat dissipation. It offers a power button, LED control button, 1x USB 3.0, 2x USB 2.0, and HD audio in the I/O port. Moreover, it has 3x2.5 inches, 2x3.5 inches, and 7 expansion slots. For the given size, this PC case support up to 168mm tall CPU coolers, up to 335mm long GPU card, and PSU up to 165mm, which is quite decent. Furthermore, the case supports fans of up to 3x120/140mm front, 2x120/140mm top, and 1x120mm rear. While it supports radiators of up to 360mm front, up to 280mm top, and 120mm rear. At number 5. Thermaltake Core P3 ATX Tempered Glass. Thermaltake is quite a popular brand of PC cases which is known for some of the most unique looking options, including its open-air white PC case which we have given here. This Thermaltake Core P3 CA1G400M6WN05 white PC case is the only open-air PC case given here, which not only looks great but can also offer better cooling performance in some cases. As for the supported motherboard sizes, it works with ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards which are similar to others. Despite having an open design, it still offers 2x USB 2.0, 2x USB 3.0, and 1x audio ports on the front. You also get a 3-year long warranty with this white PC case, which is always great to have. Thanks to its open-air design, this white PC case is perfect for large-sized components since you can fit up to 180mm tall CPU coolers and up to 450mm long GPUs, which is much higher than others. Even with the given open-air design, it can still house up to 3x140mm fans on the left, along with support for up to a 420mm radiator. Unfortunately, you do not get any fans included with this white PC case since you will only need fans in case of water cooling. Thankfully, you still get 3x2.5 inch and 2x3.5 inch drive bays, which is quite decent considering its given design.